Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about return values from a function. A function doesn't always have to display its output directly. Instead, it can process some data and then return a value or set of values. The value of the function return is called a return value. The return statement takes a value from inside a function and send it back to the line that called the function. Return values allow us to move much of our program's work into function. So let's see how to return a simple value. We will write a function that takes a first name and last name and return a full name. Our function get full name. We are going to pass in first name and last name, and we are going to return a full name. So full name, first name, and our last name. And then we just return full name dot title. And we are going to call this name and print the return full name. So that way we'll save in our name and call that function, pass in some name, and just print the full name. Now we can run our code, and here is our full name. The definition of get full name takes parameters of first name and a last name. Then this function combines these two names, and we add also a space between them and assign the result to full name. The full name is converted to title case and then returned to the calling line. So when we call a function that returns a value, we need to provide a variable that the return value can be assigned to. Such over here we have name. So our output showed us a full name made up of first name and the last name. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.